When I was a young man, I was raised in the Lower East Side of this city, and I learned many things. You could say I got my schooling here, understand? You see, I used to work at my daddy's bar, dig, and here is where I learned the most important thing. Soul! You know what I mean? Soul jack. Daddy's bar wasn't much, but it was very, very funky. Now let me tell you about it. I can remember it just like yesterday when Georgia Sam, the local man, pulled up in his long, long pink Cadillac. And sometimes he would bring in a couple of girls he'd been working late that night. The soulful women, the women who knows how to love cause they make their living at it. When these girls was feeling down, they go out to the back room and start clapping their hands and singing, carrying on. And I thought, now what kind of a song could make these women happy when they were feeling so blue? So one night I went out to the back room and I asked one of the girls. She just looked at me and said, son, it don't matter what you sing as long as you sing with soul. Sing, 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 sing with soul. This is a lesson I've never forgotten, and a feeling I carry with me all the time. Cause it's a cold, wicked world we live in, and you know how it feels when things ain't going for the best, and the blues done got you down. So when I feel myself in this situation, I think what these soulful women taught me, and that was